Okay, so hey guys, it's me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video, I will be doing the unboxing of this non-smart TV from Samsung. And so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so here as you can see that this is how the packing actually looks like. Let us open the box first, and here at first we see this kind of stands and cables are provided. And now let's open the main box. Okay, so here as you can see that it's very much well packed, and here is our main thing, that is this one is the main TV itself, as it's a non-smart TV from Samsung under 20,000 rupees. So the purchase link will be there in my description box down below. You can definitely go and check it out from there as well. And here as you can see that it is actually 32 inches television, which is quite large as compared to the other smaller ones, I suppose. And here as you can see that the packaging is very much well packed, as you can see here. And here as you can see that these are the separate stands that are provided here. Okay, so here you need to just set the stands as you can see here. So these are some of the data cables and all those things are provided here. So the installation process is very much simple. And also one main thing is that some people like to set their television set on the walls itself. So in that case you need to purchase the wall mounted brackets separately, because it doesn't come with the wall mounted brackets. So it originally comes with this kind of stands as well, as you can see here. So you just need to install the stands like this, and now we need to connect the wire. And now here are some of the paperwork that we will be getting inside the box itself. This is the quick setup guide, as you can see here. If you want, you can definitely read it as well. And one thing which I would like to recommend is that since it's a non-smart TV, so this can be a perfect television set under 20,000 for aged people as well. And here as you can see that these are some of the paperwork and the warranty guides that are provided by Samsung here. And also you will be getting this kind of screws are also provided here. I don't know why. And this is the antenna cable, which we don't use nowadays. And these are some of the additional paperwork, as you can see here. Now, as I told you earlier that this is a non-smart TV from Samsung and it is 32 inches, and also as it is non-smart TV, so I would rather recommend those people who are a little bit aged ones, because as it's a non-smart TV, so you won't be using any kind of smart features there, so you don't need to waste so much money in purchasing a smart TV, although you will not be using any kind of smart features as well. But also since it's a non-smart TV as well, but it also provides you some of the additional features as well. So let me first introduce you with the main feature that this television set offers you, that is it is a white color enhancer technology that Samsung has used in this particular model, which enhances and improves your image quality and uncovers the details with colors as they are bright and they seem just perfect. And also the audio quality of this particular this television set is just great, because I personally tested it twice and I saw that the clarity of the audio is just great. And also talking about the some of the OTT platforms that we generally use, but since it's a non-smart TV, so you won't be getting any kind of those things in this TV also. But this also TV comes with some of the additional features as well, that is it comes with the 20-watt sound, and also it comes with the triple protection technology that Samsung provides in this particular model. And also it comes with the Hyper Real Picture Engine, which provides you a clear and vivid quality of image while you will be using it. And also talking about some of the ports that you will be getting inside it, that is it comes with the HDMI ports, that is it comes with 2 HDMI ports, and also it comes with 1 USB port as well. And also, as I told you earlier, that it doesn't come with any kind of OTT streaming platforms, so don't worry about that. You can even watch all those movies if you insert any pen drive as well, and then you can easily see all those movies as well. Okay, so hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are thinking of buying this kind of Samsung TVs for themselves, for their relatives, for their friends. And thanks for watching, and I catch you guys in the next one.